What is up, YouTube? My name is Aditya and welcome back to my channel, The Indian Algo. I know it's been a lot of time. I was busy in a lot of stuff, guys. I couldn't upload any videos, but today I'll make sure I make it up to you guys, and I am gonna be sharing something really important with you. Something that works pretty well, and it's related to Wyckoff. Definitely it will change a lot of things for you in understanding or selecting the right stocks. Let's say you want to go bullish in this particular stock, right? Let's say you want to go bullish in this particular stock, but there's no way that you want to look for longs in this particular stock. And why, and when are you supposed to go long in this particular stock? Even that I'll be explaining. First of all, guys, uh, I'll be uploading this video in Hindi as well. मैं इस वीडियो को हिंदी में भी अपलोड करूंगा, क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहता जो लोग हिंदी नहीं इंग्लिश नहीं समझ पाते हैं या नहीं बोल पाते हैं उनको ये टॉपिक मिस हो, बिकॉज मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये जो चीज़ है ना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। और अगर आप ये चीज़ समझ गए, आपकी आधे से ज़्यादा ट्रेडिंग की, स्टॉक सिलेक्शन की प्रॉब्लम सुधर जाएगी, आपके ऑर्डर ब्लॉक्स काम करने लगेंगे, आपकी डिमांड जोन्स काम करने लगेगी, सब कुछ काम करने लगेगा। सो फॉर पीपल हु डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी, in this video I'll be discussing something so well that your order blocks will start working, your demand zones will start working, and most of the things will start working. You will have a very different look towards the market. All right, and you will probably able to time the markets very well. So what is that? So you must have heard about change of character in Wyckoff. You guys must have heard about change of character in Wyckoff. All right, so how this change of character actually works? What is this change of character? There's no video on this on YouTube, any of the platforms, to understand change of character, right? We are all looking at this market as a downtrending market, but it's eventually a very bullish market for Sun Pharma, and it is very likely to go up pretty soon. So for swing traders and for intraday traders, it's going to change your perspective. It's going to change a lot of things. You'll be able to time your entries very well. You'll be able to catch your moves very well. So how are you supposed to do that? All right, so let's jump to it. So first of all, let's try to understand what is change of character. So let's say the prices falls down like this. Okay, the price falls down like this. Also, guys, I'm very close to 1K subscribers, so please just share the video as much as you can. uh, Try to subscribe it from your friends and family members mobile phones or Gmail accounts. Just go ahead, guys, just make it 1K, so that I at least uh, pass that goal of accomplishing 1K subscribers on YouTube. That will be a huge achievement for me. All right, so coming back here, let's say we see this fall, right? And let's say we have some demand zone here, we have some order blocks here, or we are very bullish on this particular stock. But looking just at the structure, market structure, it becomes very difficult for us to understand when the price are going to move higher. So what I'll do in this case is I'll try to understand the change of character. Now how this change of character works is this way, that let's say this is a fall of 15.22%. I'll use this tool. This is a fall of 15.2% as well. Now what happens, the price retraces a little bit, falls here, and this is a fall of 12%, doesn't matter. So the fall decreased here, right? The fall decreased here. However, the prices were doing this, and somewhere here you thought, okay, there's a market structure break, but eventually it's not. Even if you see this, let's say even if you see this, okay, I will still not consider this as my market structure break. Okay, I might consider this, but okay, one second. Yep. All right, so let's say this was a fall of 16.41%, 16.41, and this is only 15.3%. I will still not consider this as my market structure break unless and until this was around 16 or more than 16%, probably 20%, 17, 18%. Once I get this, what I want to see is a retracement to a very important order block, or to a very important, what do you call it, to a very important order block, or to a very important demand zone somewhere here, and only then I'll start looking for my long trades. So you need to understand this very well. Okay, this is your change of character. This is your change of character. If you do not see this, there's no way this stock is moving higher. Okay, so now if I come to Sun Pharma right here, first of all, you have to use all of this starting from the daily time frame. If you're only trying to do it on the 1 hour time frame or the 5 minute time frame, it's not gonna work. So you have to start doing it from the daily time frame. Look at this up move from here till here. It's 18%, 19%. There is no change of character as of now, so this particular stock is actually very bullish. It's 12%. Unless and until I do not see a fall of 20%, this stock is not going down, it's not crashing. I can invest my money right here, I can average, and suddenly I'll see a spike up. I'm talking about the swing trades, I'm talking about the daily time frame, not talking about the intraday. All right, so what I want to see here is, as I see this fall, I'll wait for the prices to actually give me a change of character as per this fall as well. So how do I decide it? See, first of all, I'm bullish on daily time frame. Okay, now obviously there is some demand zone here. So even if the prices comes here, I'll wait for some change of character. I will not buy at my change of character. I'll wait for a retracement and I'll buy then. This retracement is going to change your life. This retracement is going to change your life. Okay, this is called correction, and this is where you will simply buy it. You will not think of anything else. You'll simply buy it, close your eyes and buy it. Okay, so if I go to the 1 hour time frame and I'll simply show you this thing. All right, so just try to understand this. Look at it. What do we have? Look at the fall. It's 7.3%, right? Now if I move it up here, the move is 4.23%. But for a lot of SMC traders, it's a market structure break. Look at these highs are taken out. They'll try to start buying in here, but it won't go up. It won't go up, guys. It won't go up. So what you're supposed to do is wait for the prices to give you a move that is at least bigger than this, or at least yeah, I would prefer it to take out this supply at least. Okay, I'd prefer it to take out this supply at least, and after every retracement I'll go on to my lower time frame, 5 minute time frame, to understand market structure there and to take my trades on above VWAP around this particular area. Only then this will work out. So I hope you understood this. I have a trade in DMart right now. I took it today itself. Alright, so I'll remove this, and 1 second. Yep, I'll go to the daily time frame. Look at this. Do I have see, definitely there was a huge fall, but do I have a change of character? This is your buy. This candle is your buy. You don't have to think anything else. Obviously it will go to the 50% only from this to this, because it is just a retracement, but you can take advantage of this retracement before anything changes. So today I bought it here. These are contraction candles, and what I want is a target of this. Obviously it can go much higher, but let's see. And I've risked a lot of quantities in this, because obviously that's from my profits. Even if I'm risking 5% of my profits, not profits, but 5% of my capital, which was eventually my profits. Like, I hope you're getting my point. So what do I do, and why did I do this? Let's say, look at this up move, 40.18%. There's a downfall. Obviously it's lesser than 25%. That's it. Okay, obviously it looks pretty it's gonna be, sorry, it's gonna be this much. If I count it from this to this, it's around 35%, right? So around 35% of a fall is still telling me that this is not a change of character. This is not a change of character. Okay, so what I have to do is, after every retracement I have to look for some bullish candles and then simply enter it, close my eyes and enter it. Here I got a pin bar. Obviously I looked for some contraction candles and then I entered it. If I go to 1 hour time frame, it is creating what? It's probably creating some accumulation. All the demand zones are being respected, so I entered it here. Obviously there is some supply. Even if it does this, I'm still bullish on this stock. Even if it does this, I'm still bullish on the stock, because it can catch some good momentum. It can catch some good momentum, right? And the simple reason for this is, okay, yeah, let's go to this 1 hour time frame and see this, guys. Do we have a change of character? Just try to see this. You don't have to, 1 second, where is the tool? Yeah, if I select it from here till here, it was 8.04. If you select it from here to here, it was 4.28. So now when I move it from here till here, it was 9%. Definitely a change of character. Definitely a change of character. Price comes to this demands area and started moving higher. You can start buying here, you can start buying here, but you have to make sure that you wait for a retracement and then buy. All right, then there was an up move. Now this up move from, yeah, let's consider it from here till here, it's around 9.22%. There was a fall here, there was 7 point something percent, and there's a fall here which was around 9%. So it was never more than 9.22%. It's going to be something a little higher. See, they probably very similar. So it was a retracement, and you're supposed to buy the retracements here. Okay, so now obviously we are here. If the price breaks above this, obviously we are looking for some good bullish up moves, right? So this is what I'm trying to understand, make you understand, guys. So if I come here on daily time frame, look at Nifty. Very clearly I can see that it's not crashing up. It's not gonna crash up unnecessary. 19.61%. If you mark it from here till here, the fall is only 10%. So this 10% is just the correction and nothing else. Now what I want, I'll go to the 1 hour time frame. All right, I am here on the 1 hour time frame. I will wait for the prices to at least give me a sign of strength, or sorry, change of character. Do I have a change of character? This was a fall. After this fall, the prices usually go sideways, consolidate, do a lot of stuff. So now there is some order block here, but I still do not have any change of character as of now. So what I want is, I want the price to do something like this. Then I'll get my order block or demand zone area somewhere here. I'll let the price come here. I will close my eyes and start buying it. Okay, I'll do that because I'm going with the daily time frame trend. Come to HDFC Bank. See, HDFC Bank looks pretty nice, but as of now, do I have any change of characters to the upside? No. There's some good falls. There's a lot of stuff happening here, but what I want to see is something like this, and then you can just go onto your higher time frame, mark your order blocks, do something like this, and start trading them. Okay, start trading them for the intraday, and close your eyes and buy it for the swings. Obviously don't do that, but yes, you can have that conviction, you can develop that conviction. Nothing here. Looking at this, I still want some good up moves. Nothing is here. SBI, SBI cards, Coal India, Bajaj, Bajaj Finserv. Alright, 1 second. So I'll have to probably upload this video in 2 parts because it might extend from 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Okay, so I'll be uploading it in 2 parts, and I'll be doing it at the same time, so don't worry, you will be seeing both the videos together. Now look at this. No change of character, no change of character. I don't see any change of character. Look at the up moves. Okay, so there's probably no change of character. This is a little scary, but once the price breaks out of this, okay, it gives you some good momentum. Do not do anything here. Do not try to buy this. Do not try to buy this. Do not try to buy this. Let it come down. Let it start sustaining. Let it start moving higher. Start buying it. It's very likely to break above this. If it doesn't, you need to understand, you also have to manage your risk and position size. But guys, this is where you can plan it out for your intraday moves. Once this shows sign of strength, let it come back, and you start understanding this fall, and you start creating your long positions around this area. That is how it has to be done. Okay, now look at this. Mahindra Finance trying to go long, unnecessary. This is still not a change of character, right? Look at this up move, just the retracement of it. Okay, there's no change of character, but obviously you can start looking for your longs once the 4 hour or 1 hour starts giving you some change of character here. Sorry, So if I come here and mark